In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification on LinkedIn. Two-step verification, also known as two-factor authentication, adds an extra layer of protection to your account by requiring a one-time code whenever you sign in on a new device. It's quick to set up and a powerful way to keep your profile secure. Start by signing in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your homepage, look to the top of the screen and click on Me. From the menu, choose Settings and Privacy. In the left-hand menu, open Sign In and Security, and then select Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. Click Set Up to begin. Next, choose how you want to receive your verification codes. You can use an Authenticator app or your phone number for text messages. Both work well. The Authenticator app is great if you prefer codes that are generated on your device, while text messages are convenient if you always have your phone with you. If you pick the Authenticator app option, install an app like Microsoft Authenticator or any similar authenticator on your mobile device if you don't already have one. Open the app and add a new account. Back on LinkedIn, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Use your Authenticator app to scan that QR code. The app will immediately start generating a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Type that code into LinkedIn to confirm, and your two-step verification will be activated with the Authenticator app. If you prefer to use your phone number, select the phone option. For security, LinkedIn may ask you to confirm your password. After that, LinkedIn will text a 6-digit code to your mobile device. Enter that code on the screen, and then complete the activation. Keep in mind, your phone number can also help people who already have it find and connect with you on LinkedIn, and you control how your number is used in your privacy settings. From now on, whenever you sign in on a new browser or device, LinkedIn will prompt you for a verification code before granting access. That extra step helps keep your account safe even if someone else somehow gets your password. If you use an Authenticator app, make sure you keep access to it when you change phones. If you use text messages, ensure your mobile number stays up to date in your account. And that's it. Your LinkedIn account is now more secure with two-step verification. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more how-tos, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads.